Your Haryanvi accent is so sexy.
सबसे पहले तो ये है कि भाई राम राम।
राम
ठीक
राम
है,
चमके
चमके तारा है ऊपर।
चमके चमके छोटे तारे।
तारे तो छोटे ही हुआ करें।
I've done all the practice, I've done all the training, but nothing matches the real bout that happens inside the ring.
Joke can get too dark.
Yeah.
There is no too dark for you, is there?
No, there is. And those are the things that don't make it to the script.
I relate boxing to aggression and rage and only punching each other. But boxing is beyond that. I've seen kids from the age of 8 to the age of 20 who are coming there and training.
Politics
Insane.
which goes on, between
Yeah.
the clubs
Clubs.
and everything. It's all there.
Your Haryanvi accent is so sexy is a game that we're going to play in some time. लेकिन वहाँ जाने से पहले मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कर लूँ. सुविंदर जी, थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम यू जस्ट टू फिल्म. मैंने सिर्फ इस शो पर आपकी बातें की हैं.
अच्छा,
हाँ जी, बिकॉज ऑफ योर वंडरफुल वर्क इन Kora 1. Very big fan. Thank you for joining me today.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Pulkit, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
Divyendu
Hello.
and Karan Anchuman, creator of Glory, that is hitting Netflix on the 1st of May. I watched 2 episodes, so I'm going to base my conversation on those 2 episodes, but we're not going to give too many spoilers. I want to start with you, Pulkit. There was a match that you were
Yeah.
put into a ring for, okay, जहाँ पर तुम और एक actual real life boxer आमने सामने आए थे. Mantra, of course, was playing himself as the. He's just वो आवाज सुन के आता Mantra है. But what I loved about it is that ये जो शिद्दत है that you would put yourself in this position can only come if you really care about a show, because किसको किसी बॉक्सर के हाथों पिटना है. तो इससे शुरू करते हैं. कितनी शिद्दत है इस शो के लिए?
बहुत शिद्दत है. भूख उतनी ही है ग्लोरी के लिए जितनी आपको इस शो में भी दिखेगी.
बिल्कुल.
So yeah, and it was a once in a lifetime opportunity to. I've done all the practice, I've done all the training, but nothing matches the real bout that happens inside the ring.
बिल्कुल.
Huge respect to all the boxers. Huge respect. Like those 3 rounds were at least 100 times heavier than my years of training. I
Wow.
can promise you that.
Wow.
And it taught me so much. Boxing taught me so much that we normally relate boxing to aggression and rage and only punching each other, but boxing is beyond that. Boxing is a sport which teaches you dedication, discipline. It teaches you mind games. It teaches you how to manipulate and handle a certain situation. Inside the ring, it's actually a mind game that is going on. It's chess that is being played between 2 opponents, where we are trying to find an opening and hit that person, or to save ourselves, or to break a line, move away. And it's very addictive. So addictive that now boxing has become a part of my lifestyle.
Oh, wow.
I continue to train for boxing.
One
what
second,
to
that
do now.
reminded me.
Yeah.
उस बॉक्सिंग मैच में आपको तो सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया. रिंग में तो नहीं थे, लेकिन जो जुबान चली है ना, बहुत मजा आया. इसे क्या कहते हैं? स्लेजिंग. इट्स द इक्विवेलेंट टू स्लेजिंग इन क्रिकेट.
नहीं, वो I think it comes with the whole culture of boxing. तो वो चलता है उसमें. And I think
Hyping.
Neeraj was also a great sport. That way, to just have that banter going, because we have to make it entertaining for people. We can't just make it like too serious and this and that. So yeah, to get into a character a little bit.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि आप दोनों जो भाई हैं इस शो में, 2 जिस्म एक जान मुझे वहां पर नजर आया, क्योंकि जिस्म इनका है लेकिन जुबान तुम्हारी है. मजा ही आ गया. It was really great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please talk to me about getting into the world of just वो हियर एंड नाउ का वर्ल्ड है. एक प्रेशर हो सकता है कि इस वक्त जो स्पॉट है जिसको लोग इतना फॉलो करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं उसके स्टेक्स भी बहुत हाई हैं हमारे देश में. एंड वी रियली वांट द बॉक्सर्स टू विन, गेट दैट गोल्ड. मुझे बताओ, पर्सनली डिड यू एक्चुअली इंटरेक्ट विद बॉक्सर्स एंड व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम देम? आई वांट टू स्टार्ट विद यू एक्चुअली, सुविंदर जी.
हाँ जी, जैसे मेरा किरदार एक बॉक्सिंग कोच का किरदार है, तो मुझे मेरे ख्याल से जो रिंग में लड़ रहा है उससे थोड़ा हट के एक ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत थी, जो मैंने की, जितना मेरे लिए ज़रूरी था या जितनी मेरी सेहत या मेरी उम्र अलाउ करती थी,
जी हाँ।
तो दैट हैव डन। और लेकिन हाँ, एक ये ज़रूर है कि एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, जैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं कि एक आपके अंदर वो उसका जज्बा एक स्पोर्ट का, क्योंकि अभी ज़्यादातर हम लोग क्रिकेट की बात करते हैं, या हर एक को जब भी अब होता है कि यार हाँ मेरे को क्रिकेटर बनना है, या क्योंकि मुझे खुद को भी क्रिकेट का शौक़ था और मैं क्रिकेट खेलता भी रहा हूँ अपने स्कूल से। और लेकिन बॉक्सिंग के बारे में इतना मतलब हमें नहीं इस चीज़ का पता था, लेकिन बट बीइंग इन दिस लाइन व्हेन दिस रोल वाज ऑफर्ड फ्रॉम द फ्रॉम नेटफ्लिक्स, फ्रॉम करण या प्रोडक्शन हाउस से, तो उस में फिर थोड़ा सा एक बार खुद को भी लगा यार ये तो कुछ अलग है। तो एक होता है ना कि मतलब एक आपको खुद पे थोड़ा सा वो विश्वास लाने की ज़रूरत होती है कि क्या हो पाएगा या नहीं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अब ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत तो थी, फिजिकली तो आपको ट्रेन होना ही था, इसमें थोड़ा सा मेंटल लेवल भी आपको उस तरह से सेट करना पड़ता है। तो पहले तो वही एक जद्दोजहद होती है एक एक्टर की कि क्या मैं इसके लिए फिट हूँ, है ना। तो पहले तो वो लड़ाई एक अंदर जो चल रही थी उससे जीत हासिल की, और फिर ऑब्वियसली ट्रेनिंग हुई एंड द वे इट वाज रिटन, तो उस कैरेक्टर को अपने अंदर करना, और फिर दो ऐसे बेटे और जिनके साथ मतलब मज़ा आया काम करके। तो या
How lovely. Thank
I
you.
enjoyed it. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, जन्नत जुबैर के साथ आपको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था करण, बट एनीवे आई कांट रिवील मच, जितना ट्रेलर में है उतना ही हम बता सकते हैं। बट आई वांट टू गो टू यू दिव्येंदु, आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि there is so much of a hangover of roles that you've done before, but I feel कि इस किरदार से कहीं ना कहीं एक अलग पहचान बनाने का मौका मिलेगा, and I mean that as a compliment क्योंकि मैंने ये शो देखा है। For you, what was important? Who is this guy? When did you find him?
We're talking about this boxing world, and everything happens against the backdrop of boxing world and Shaktigarh and everything. Dev is the guy who absolutely hates every bit of it. He doesn't want to be associated with this world. He's got very, very ugly memories from this world, personally, professionally, bit, whatever. So to navigate this character wasn't easy. The way Karan and Karmanya, they wrote the character helped me a great deal because it was so beautifully layered. But just to make him more human was a challenge, because we're talking about a boxing world, and here is a guy who absolutely against it, who's there for a very different reasons, and those reasons again are very painful reasons. So man, yeah, it was every day, it was a lot of pain. It was a lot of, darkness to deal with it. The good part is because it's so funny, because there is a certain dark humor which comes with it.
वो तो
Yeah, precisely.
signature.
Yeah, so that rescued me a little and also made him little more human. But like you said, it's the darkest I've gone. It's इससे नीचे मैं अभी तक नहीं गया
नहीं
था.
गया हूँ.
Yeah.
क्या बात
So,
है. Speaking
yeah.
of नीचे लेके जाना.
Yeah. He's
going into the depths.
He's my submarine. I sit and go into. He takes me down.
But Karan, I must say, there's a scene in episode 1 which is my favorite. It's my standout. It's when I think the two of you are at a stadium और दो बच्चे आते हैं वहाँ पर और एक बच्चे ने मास्क पहना हुआ है. The lines in that will never leave me. Never, ever. So I wanted to ask you, there's you, there's Karmanya, and there's of course Vaibhav Vishal.
Yeah.
Oh my God, how much, I wouldn't say fun, but I think that there was, मतलब ज़रूरी था कि while this is all happening, you also put these bits in.
Yeah.
How important was that for you, and how did you find it? Because kabhi a joke can get too dark.
Yeah.
There is no too dark for you, is there?
No, there is. There is too dark, and those are the things that don't make it to the script. Let me tell you, all my first drafts are too dark.
Too dark.
ये तो नहीं बोल सकते, इसको delete
हाँ,
करते
ये
हैं.
नहीं बोल सकते. जी.
But like when we're writing dialogue, especially now, like so for Vaibhav and me, like we always try and find, like, and it's on, like it's like it's
yeah.
happening while we're sitting and writing it, but also like he'll WhatsApp me some galis and I'll WhatsApp back. Like, suppose you up it to this. And he's like, what if we go there? Then like, you should see these conversations. It's insane.
And you guys have been associates for many, many years.
Yeah, this is like our third or fourth project now together, and with him, it's again you have to really like, it's what we do on set. We're doing over paper and just like getting into each other's really darkest, deepest corners of our minds to figure out what can we extract from there in terms of what needs to be said. So we always it can be look, the thing with humor in a show like this, in a series like this, is sometimes I find, and this is like sitting and watching many films in theaters with over many years with I find like even the most harmless joke, but if it comes after an hour and it just takes that tension off the audience, and it makes them breathe a little bit, like in a horror situation or a high pressure thriller thing that's going on, one joke goes a lot longer than it would in, say, a comedy where all your jokes have to be really good. So I find that
Exciting.
is what we were trying to bring here, right? Like every now and then just
Keep
slip
giving
it
the
in,
palate
so it
cleanser.
just feels
Palate
like
cleanser.
Yeah.
जैसे कॉफी आपको देता है ना जब आप परफ्यूम सूंघ रहे हो,
Yeah.
है ना, तो 4 परफ्यूम सूंघ ली, ये लीजिए थोड़ी सी कॉफी.
थोड़ा सा.
that's exactly it. That's exactly.
Talk to me about this casting, Ku, because I am so excited about this cast. I also would like to preface that by saying कि देखिए इस कास्ट में 2 चीज़ों की सख्त ज़रूरत है. एक तो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मेहनत, क्योंकि आपको एक सर्टेन फिजिकलिटी में आना होगा, और दूसरा ये कि क्या हम एक दूसरे के साथ हैंग आउट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि द रेस्ट ऑफ इट इज प्रीटी हैवी, सो यू वांट टू हैव पीपल हु आर इन सम वे easy and fun to work with.
Absolutely.
So was that important to you? And talk to me about the order of casting.
No, of course, very important. But let me just tell you, it doesn't only extend to cast, but also the crew. So
Of course.
every single person I worked on this project, which I knew is going to be a heavy one, it's going to be something that we're all going to be very immersed in. There were 2 or 3 things I wanted to make sure before I get to these guys. Like, I want to work with people I've worked with before. Okay, so my entire crew has come back for this. Like, it's all people who I know who have done this. Because there has to be a level of trust going into this, and that extends to Divyendu and Pulkit,
yeah.
of course, for both of them. And I think with Suvin and Vicky being the only one who sort of stood out from that, it's because I knew watching Kora that I just need to put the camera on him. He doesn't need to be Ariyam's friend. Like, let him be the camera's friend.
ये कोच साहब हैं, जी हाँ.
Okay, then it turned out we all got along very well in any case. So that was, and of course you create that atmosphere. You create a sense of like, okay, we need to hang out. So one way to do that was, for example, when we were shooting in all our bits in Punjab, is just get everyone great food all the time. And everyone's just very happy. Like, so that really sort of helped. But on a more serious note, it was these guys, I just needed for the brothers, people who I trust implicitly to give it those hours and weeks and months of training for the action bits, but also like what Divyendu spoke about being able to immerse yourself in a character in such a way, and that cannot happen on the day. It cannot happen. Like we went to Haryana, we went into the boondocks of Haryana, honestly, like to go and meet people, talk to them, let it let it wash over us, and see elements of what we ended up doing, whether it's like the China level boxing training facilities, to what's happening in someone's backyard, to across the board, meeting people, boxers, families who have spent their entire lives and gotten nowhere with their kids, and they've just sacrificed everything. So there was tragedy in our little experiences as well. And in between all this, we would do rehearsals, we would read, we would work on the script, and it was just a very nice, organic thing that we followed. And
Amazing.
And that's how it happened.
No, it's been very. He's just saying it, but it's been so carefully handpicked by him, also related to Mohit, your partner, is just, I don't know how did you guys manage it, but it was just, imagine all of us skydiving holding hands. You see that big ring
Yeah.
people, you know, doing
That's your-
hawa mein tairne wala. We were all that because it's as Glory was as dangerous and as heavy and high on adrenaline as that. We all needed to hold each other's hands, and we were there as a team. You know, you talk about technical, you talk about actors, you talk about directors, action, whatever. We were all there throughout, and I think that's a very, very big blessing. And you get to know it. First couple of days, okay, log theek hain, sync mein, ye theek jana chahiye.
जाना चाहिए,
And we
yeah.
had ups and downs, personal lives and everything, but we were there
Yeah.
for each other,
और
with each other.
कितनी इज्जत आपके खुद के अंदर हुई है एज यू नो एक्टर्स फॉर पीपल हु स्टोरी शायद जो आपने डिस्कवर की, यू नो आई फील लाइक दैट मस्ट हैव मूव्ड यू, राइट? डू यू हैव एन इंसिडेंट or a story that you heard about a boxer in our country that has truly broken you and that you took in, because you're not playing anybody in particular as boxers,
Yeah.
but at the same time you need to know, because इस sport में people give so much, right? And I think इसका एक छोटा सा मुझे, I remember that when I watched Dangal, and I remember the amount of respect that I suddenly just had, you know, for sportsmen in general, like generally. तो आपके साथ ये हुआ?
So there was this one guy who's a coach, and someone was very reputed. His father was very reputed, but now he is almost an outcast. Trains these kids backyard of his house. Really like good, sharp guy, but today he almost has nothing. Okay, you know, it's raw, rustic, but still he's at it. He's a character. He's a character. I mean, you can't really play such people on screen because there is so much tragedy also in his life, but he is not sad about it. He's still high on life. He's still struggling with the means, but he's still training the kids, making sure they get all the nutrition, all the training. And dude, it's a makeshift thing. We saw it.
But
We
that's what I
sat
love
there.
the most about this show, because I think that to me, for like, you know, of course ये कहानी आपकी है, लेकिन there are these side sort of tracks. You know, there's a bus जहाँ पर there is a, you know, parent
Yeah.
taking the daughter, and they may never come back. You know, but that's what stayed with me, because I said, यार actually लोगों के लिए ये एक boxing जो है ये एक जरिया है to elevate, you know, their lives, their livelihood, their status in society. And कहीं ना कहीं to, it's like UPSC लोग देते हैं,
Yeah.
लोग स्पोर्ट्स कोटा में भर्ती होते हैं, and I feel like that really moved me about this show. For you, Pulkit?
You know, when we went for Recce, we met a lot of boxers, we met a lot of coaches. We went from like as Karan said, from like China level infrastructure to somebody
akhadas.
somebody who's training on punching bags that are hung from the trees because there is no other place to train. And genuinely at that place, I've seen kids from the age of 8 to the age of 20 or something who are coming there and training.
एक तो कुछ 6 साल का था. Remember that little
हाँ
one?
वो ये छोटा
Very
सा
cute.
था
हाँ
एकदम
यार.
साउथ पॉ था वो लेफ्टी था बड़ा क्यूट सा था वो उसी को तो बुलाया था बेटा कौन पापा था प्यार करते हैं कि
मैं करता हूँ.
So these kids, they cannot afford even like probably 50 rupees for training. So this guy, and more than this guy, I have humongous respect for his wife, because she's the one who's been raising these kids since years. Raising in the sense, she takes care of all the nutrition. She makes sure even if they don't have a place to sleep, they can all sleep at their place. They have a full floor dedicated only to the kids. So that चाहे वो रिक्शे वाले के बच्चे हों,
बिल्कुल.
चाहे वो किसी टीटी अपना ट्रेन के
Ticket collector हो,
टिकट
yeah.
कलेक्टर के बच्चे हों, people who can really not afford, they will get their eggs, they'll get their chicken, they'll get their milk, they'll get the ghee, they'll get good roti, carbs, everything they'll be provided over there. And they don't have, and they are not self-sufficient to even meet their own means, but they're doing it for the kids. That was extremely inspiring. And it is so, it just fills me with pride that we met these people and one of those students happens to be this woman's own daughter. She is a world champion now,
Yeah.
Amazing.
and she has been trained only
That's
outside
so
the system, not within the system. It's
That's what I love about these.
It's
You know, all
just
that
insane.
politics which goes on, you know, between the clubs
Clubs,
and everything, it's all there. उनसे मिलके लगा मतलब हम ही एक मतलब दीवाने नहीं है दुनिया में, जो लगा था ना घर छोड़ के आ गए एक्टिंग करेंगे
बिल्कुल।
बॉम्बे में, किसी को जानते नहीं,
बिल्कुल
कोई किसी गांव के कोने में बैठा जिसे पता नहीं वो मुक्के चला रहा है,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और उसे पता नहीं कितने अंडे मिलेंगे, क्या होगा,
क्या
कितना
होगा।
दूध मिलेगा,
Yeah.
पता नहीं, लेकिन वो
Yeah.
लगा हुआ है लाइफ में यार।
आपके लिए आई एम गोना उछालो, आपको ये अनुवाद करना है हरियाणवी में। ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, हाउ आई वंडर हाउ व्हाट यू आर।
what you are.
तो अंग्रेजी बोल गए। लव, बोलिए सर।
राजछोरी
यो यो यो, बड़ा
sorry.
सही यो ऐसे हरियाणवी यो।
सबसे पहले तो ये है कि भाई राम राम,
राम राम राम
ठीक है।
राम।
रे भाई ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटिल स्टार, हाउ आई वंडर व्हाट यू आर, अप अबव द वर्ल्ड सो हाई लाइक अ डायमंड इन द स्काई।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। सर ये तो एक्सेंट आपने इस्तेमाल किया, लेकिन ट्रांसलेट करना था।
ट्रांसलेट करना है माँ, ये
और
ट्रांसलेटर
बेटे करेंगे।
हाँ ये देखो भाई, ये मेरे बेटे करेंगे, साल बेटा होता शुरू।
Twinkle twinkle little star.
चमके चमके
बच्चे।
तारे ऊपर,
हाँ,
हाँ?
आ रहा है
छोटा तारा?
गो, गो, गो।
चमके चमके तारे ऊपर।
हाँ।
चमके चमके छोटे तारे.
अरे तारे तो छोटे हुआ करे हैं।
अरे देखेंगे बहुत
कौन
छोटे
सा
हैं.
नहीं, अरे वो
बहुत छोटे हैं.
तुक भी तो मिलनी चाहिए ना।
हाँ तुक भी मिलेगी, ठीक है चलो.
सर हाउ आई वंडर व्हाट यू आर, वंडर माने
I like how you guys are looking up like.
कैसे मैं सोचता हूँ कैसे,
मैं
कि-
सोच
कि-
रहा हूँ
कि
तुम
तू-
कौन हो, तुम के हो.
अरे आसमान में चमकने वाले तारों हो, मैं यूँ सोच रहा हूँ कौन
तो
हो
तू-
भाई।
हाँ।
कौन हो भाई रे तुम?
और क्यों हो?
How I wonder what you are. Up over the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
बाड़ा है के तंडे.
That's a Saryanvi.
न्यू चमका जैसे धरती पे हीरा।
Hi.
वाह.
This is so great. Teamwork makes the dream work. I absolutely love it. And every time I say yo now,
That's glory.
it's the
teamwork.
it's glory, yeah. It's the Haryanvi yo and not the Angrezi yo.
ये जो आपने
Yeah.
हमसे भी करा है ना, हमारे
जी।
जो डायलेक्ट कोच थे वो हमें मारेंगे अभी बाहर
हाँ।
जाते. वो कहेंगे ये सिखाया था हमने.
देखिए क्या है कि ये होता भी मुश्किल है, देखो अनुवाद वगैरह करना, ये एक्टिविटीज बड़ी अच्छी लगती हैं, लेकिन इनको करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो देखिए हमने अपने शो में ये कोशिश की है रोहिणी जी कि हम हरियाणवी का थोड़ा सा लहजा दें आपको
बिल्कुल
बस,
बिल्कुल
क्योंकि समझिए सबको आना चाहिए,
बिल्कुल।
पूरे उस तक आना चाहिए। आदमी यो ना हो कि भाई वर्ल्ड से क्या कर रहा है ऊपर, तो
हाँ,
वर्ल्ड
और
सो हाई,
हाँ,
मैं आदमी खो जाए सबटाइटल पढ़ लूं। तो
With full
हमने
respect.
कोशिश ये करी है।
For
Yeah, I
Haryana
think
and
it's
Haryana.
Yeah.
You took
Haryana
me
के
to a
full respect
world,
के
and
साथ।
I want to end with that actually, that you made me believe that you're from the land.
Thank you.
And that is what I want to leave you with.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
Wow.
so much for
Thank
taking
you.
me into the world.
Thank you.
And hopefully you will take everybody on the 1st of May on Netflix. That's glory for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time on Just to Film Me.